Hi guys, welcome back to Laila Some Cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make my eggplant pakora, eggplant fritters, bacon pakora or Gateau Brinzel. It is your request. Let me take you to the ingredient, but I'm going to show you only the eggplant right now. I'm going to show you the rest of the ingredient after. So I'm using one large eggplant, which is approximately less than a pound, and I have a bowl of water over here. I'm gonna add some salt to the water, just a teaspoon. And what I'm gonna do is, so the eggplant is not that big, so I want to cut it this way so I can get bigger slices. So I'm going to cut the eggplant into this size. It's about a little bit less than a centimeter. So I'm gonna cut the eggplant and put them in the water that I have the salt, just like that. Cut everything, put them in the water, the salt water, and leave them like that for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can go a little bit more, no problem. That's not the issue. And so that way the eggplant will not have those weird taste as you're eating it. This salt will fix all the problem when you leave the eggplant soak in the salt water. So I'm gonna do that, and after 10-15 minutes I'm gonna throw all the water, and then we're gonna move to the next step. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes and the eggplant has already been soaked enough. I have already thrown the water, and in this bowl over here I got besan, which is gram flour, plain flour, baking soda and salt. I'm not using baking powder, it is just baking soda. And to that I have frozen green onion, and I already washed and chopped them. I'm gonna add this, about half cup. Depending on you, you can add more, you can add less. Alright, and I'm just gonna take a spoon and then mix everything. Just like so. And then I'm gonna add water little by little and mix. You can mix by hand. I'm gonna do this with a spoon. And this is what we are looking for, the consistency. I'm gonna write all the written ingredients down below in the description box, including the amount of the water that I have used in this bowl over here. Now preheat enough oil in a pan that I have already preheated back there, and now it is ready to go fry. Now take your eggplant and just dip gently because they will break. So the butter should be thick like that, not runny. It won't hold on the eggplant. Beautiful. Okay, that's good. You can see the oil is not that hot, so it's not gonna be brown before it cooks completely, because eggplant should be cooked inside because they will stay raw. I'm so excited. I can't wait to finish frying all of these so I can snack on it. I used to not like eggplant at all, but now I just love it. It's been 2 minutes, and now I'm gonna flip the eggplant. It's a light golden color, and I want this to be nice golden color. And now we're gonna fry the other side, and then I'm gonna flip it again until I have the nice colors that I want. Okay guys, this is beautiful. I love Gateau Brinzel eggplant pakora or eggplant fritters. And now just try to drain most of the oil, because eggplant normally absorb oil. So let's try to drain most of them, and I have a plate ready with paper towel. It's gonna go in it, on it, and I'm gonna keep frying the rest, and have your chutney ready, which you can't miss. And the smell right now in this kitchen is super delicious. On a paper towel, and then I'm gonna keep repeating the same, the left of the eggplant. Smell is so good. The same recipe can be used for potatoes, and if you want to cut some onion, make like onion fritters. The same recipe can be done with fruits à pain. If you like that, I just love it. Written ingredient is going to be down below in the description box. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like the video if you like it. And I will see you next time. I'm gonna go dig into this with a chutney, and bye for now.